Yo soy Teacher Catalina. Today we are learning how to say goodbye, all in Spanish. If you are new to my channel, I invite you to click on subscribe so you and I can continue learning Spanish together. So let's get into it. How do you say goodbye in Spanish? You probably have heard the word adios. Very good. Adios. Muy bien. Adios is used pretty commonly in most Spanish-speaking countries, and it's pretty informal. Another very common informal farewell is the word chao, and you will hear it mostly in Latin America. Chao, chao. Very good. Hasta luego. Hasta luego. Remember that H is silent. Hasta luego. See you later. Hasta luego. Excellent. Hasta mañana. Hasta mañana. Hasta mañana. See you tomorrow. Until tomorrow. Hasta mañana. Some people also use hasta pronto. Hasta pronto. Very good. Hasta pronto. See you soon. And another common way of saying goodbye is simply to say nos vemos. Nos vemos. We'll see each other later soon. Nos vemos. Very good. So remember, no matter which one of this you choose to say when you say goodbye, make sure that you play and replay this video so you can practice your pronunciation. So one more time, let me go over all of the ways to say goodbye so you can hear how to say them one more time. We have adios, adios, chao, chao, hasta pronto, see you soon, hasta pronto, muy bien, hasta mañana, see you tomorrow, hasta mañana, very good, hasta luego, hasta luego, great, see you later, nos vemos. Nos vemos. Very common way of saying we'll see each other later. Nos vemos. Excellent. And that's it for today. By now, you should be able to say goodbye, all in Spanish. You have a lot of words to choose from, and remember that some of them are a little bit more casual and informal than others, but nonetheless, you are able to communicate in Spanish and say goodbye. Muchas gracias por estar conmigo hoy. Thank you for being here today, and I hope that we see each other again soon. Nos vemos. Adiós.